Hello everyone, today I'm coming at you with the December mystery reveal. I am super excited about this one. I actually got this art in June, which is just been so long. It's crazy how fast it went, but also crazy not. I wanted to use this all summer and I'm so excited to use it. I'm probably gonna be using it in January. It's just beautiful. Perfection, and I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and get into it. First things first is that this has already shipped. So if you are looking for it and you're not subscribed, I would definitely check out the buy sell trade group, which I will link down below. And I will also put down below when spots are available for next month's mystery. And that will be a different theme, a different kit, always exclusive art. And I will leave that date down below. But let's go ahead and get into it. I will show you guys the ultimate kit first. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at her. I am so excited. Let me move the foil away. Okay. So this is the normal mystery format for the ultimate, which does come with the 10 pages. This is exclusive art, and I wanted to do a really luxurious spa theme, kind of like an at-home spa that kind of had you smelled almost like icy and lavender vibes through the kit. And I think that this turned out so beautiful. I am obsessed. And my favorite thing actually about this is the pattern back here, which is on the bottom washi because I loved it so much. It's a really pretty floor tile, but I just think it just adds a lot to the background of the flat lays. And the colors of this kit are just so icy, but also very anytime. And the lighting in this picture is so beautiful. So here are the full boxes, your 2 fashion, your 2 flat lays, your 2 other boxes, and then your scene here, which is just so gorgeous. I just love how just serene, bright, but also very luxe it all feels. Oh, it's just so beautiful. You have lots of different skincare items, essential oils, bath bombs, flowers. It's just so pretty. Your extra full box over here is the tall fashion option next to the bathtub. And look at these colors. It's just so lavender and it's just beautiful. It just makes me so happy. And again, I've been waiting to use this kit since June and I'm so excited to finally be able to use it. The foil in the ultimate is lavender hollow, but I think that this would look really pretty with, I feel like you could do gold, yeah, there's gold bits in there. I feel like you could do silver, you could do a mixed metal moment, you could do hollow, you could do sparkly hollow, you could pull in a purple. Oh, there's just so many options here. If you wanted to do rose, I think that'd also be really pretty. You have the bottom washi here, which I love. I love this one blank because I think it'd be perfect for a really just relaxing quote. You have your extra color here, which is a really pretty blue, your 2 extra fashion boxes, and then you have a really pretty manicured hand with some champagne in the background, an extra fashion option, and then your 15mm strip. So that is the ultimate kit. I hope that y'all love it. Let me show you the foil that I paired with it. So I did the stars in lavender hollow, which I think lavender hollow is so pretty with this kit. But also if you want to pair it with a different foil, you could just save this for another time. It works with so many different kits, and it is the normal foil bundle format that is in the shop. So that is the ultimate kit. Like I said, it is no longer available, but if you're looking for it, I would definitely check out the buy sell trade group. Let's go into the mini kit. This is the more affordable option. So here is the full boxes page. You have the deco page, the glitter header page, the mini kit page here with the labels, your bottom washi, and then your freebie page of the extra labels, the fashion options, and then the extra color along with the matte freebie in the lavender hollow. We did actually just have a lot of lavender hollow bits in the shop recently, and I will bring them back for future, if you want to stock up on extra bougie boxes and matte samplers and things like that. So that is everything for this month's mystery. I hope that y'all love it, and I will talk to you in my next video.